Yeah! So today we're going to be doing a review video on this military flashlight. Pretty cool. Let's get into it.
You heard him. You had it upside down.
Oh, I did?
We're going to get into it though. Here we go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here we go. Sorry. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a review video on this tactical flashlight by Feyachi. We just did a review video not too long ago on the Feyachi products that we were using for the gun. And now we're going to be doing this tactical flashlight.
That I think you can mount on a rifle?
I don't know. I think this is just a handheld. It's pretty big, okay? If anybody knows me, they know that I love flashlights. So
and I think I've had one of those same ones, actually.
we are going to unbox this bad boy right now.
Because he was in the Navy, and and so he had a flashlight, obviously.
Oh.
And he gave me it. So, and I still have it.
Check it out. This is rack mountable. Look.
Yeah, you can.
See?
Yeah, you can put it on a gun.
You can put this on a firearm. Here, go hold this up to the lens so people can see. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, this is cool. Wait till you see this, Lorenzo. All right, come here. So check it out. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be. The box, you know, it's actually the same size as the one on the box.
Well, let me see.
See? But anyway.
Wait, what's so cool?
They have one of these switches here at the bottom. I don't know why it's in the bottom here. Here, let me get this.
What's so cool?
So the cool thing about this light, okay, so we do have power, okay, is that if you wanted to control it, when you put it on your Picatinny rail, right, you take the standard switch off, screw this thing on. The cool thing about this is depending on how you mount it onto your weapon of choice, yes, you control from this little switch. So you could have this on the rail and then have this mounted down by the trigger, and it switches it on for you.
Can I have this?
No, you can't have all the cool stuff. And it also comes with these little Velcro straps, so you could tuck this cord away, so, you know, nice and neat around your weapon.
And then there's a little mount for the gun.
Yes, it also comes with the mount for the rail, which is pretty neat. I like that. Okay. But let's see how bright it is, okay? And let's see how we're charging this thing. Let's see here. Let me see.
Let me tell you guys all the features. The power factory, 0.9, Type C to charge it.
Where do you charge it from?
LPXS, waterproof.
Yeah, waterproof.
100%, I don't know, and 105.
Don't give up on the word if you don't know it. Let's see here.
Well, it doesn't say anything.
0.9 power factor, Type C charging, IPX7. I don't know what IPX means. Let's see here. 1500 lumens.
UV free.
You can use, you just got to watch out to put it out in your eyes, obviously. Here we go. Constant at 100%, 1500 lumens. Constant at 50%, 800 lumens. Constant at 15%, 300 lumens. And then it's got the momentary light. But,
it looks like it's a matte black.
oh yeah, you charge it, the charging port, you open this up, and the charging port is in there. But the cool thing about it is that it's nice and light and not big and bulky, because I thought it was going to be bigger. Alright, let's do this here. Let's shine this down on the table real quick. And we're zoomed in right now. We're going to zoom it out. Oh no, we're zooming in. This is... Well, let's shut the light off and do a test on the wall. Let's see the difference. Ooh, it gets hot.
It does when you feel
It gets pretty hot. And I bet you it's not even fully charged right now. Pretty hot, huh?
Not even hot.
All right, let's shine it on the wall behind us here.
But it's literally like the light wasn't even off.
I know, we just lit up the whole room. Look at this thing.
Like, and it's not even fully charged, probably. Wow, just literally hang out on the top of the
Watch your eyes.
Hang out on the top of the ceiling.
I know,
and
right?
Literally
light up the whole room.
Shine it in the living room.
Yeah, it's stupid bright. So, you know, I gotta be honest with you. If you have this on the front of a rifle or something like that, or
you can literally blind
a
somebody.
shotgun or something, this will blind the crap out of you. This will disorientate your target pretty damn well.
And then you can just, you know.
Yeah, you have that switch there. But I gotta tell you, go turn the light back on. Let me get up close and personal with this thing. Let me show people here. So check this out. This thing is pretty badass as far as the tactical look to it. And it's very, very, in my hand, it's very compact, obviously. And very light. Okay. What are you doing over there? ASMR? All right, stop. I'm trying to talk and you're over here. It's very compact, is what I'm trying to say. This knucklehead over here.
ASMR.
Yeah, ASMR.
See how us get likes and subscribe.
Oh, because we got weird sounds going on? Anyway, folks, another win by Feyachi. Go ahead and check out the link in the description box. This thing is badass, okay? Let me know what you think. Comment below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new here. We do crazy review videos all the time. And we got a lot more coming, so stay tuned. Do you have anything else to say?
Make sure you like and subscribe. Post notifications on and subscribe.
You said you keep repeating yourself.
Peace out.
Do you